In this video, I will show you how to generate long form SEO content automatically. So we're gonna use AI called Arvo. So this is the dashboard. So let me just take you to the dashboard. The link will be in your description. You can check that out. You can try it for free. So here, I'm just gonna click on SEO article and here into the keyword. So let's just say I will enter sell my land quick. This is a keyword. I can also enter a title, but it's optional. Click on add keywords. Once I add keywords, it's just gonna take me to the input page. And once I'm here, I have option to edit an input, and we can customize a lot. I can also include many keywords as possible. Click on generate an article and it will do the job. So let's just wait for it to generate an article. Alright, now that you can see it has produced an article, and let me just take you to the new tab. And here we go. So this is what we have got, an entire blog article, full long lengthy blog article. It will be something around more than 1500 words, something around 2000 words with a meta description and also feature image. You can directly publish it to the WordPress.